What is up, people of the world? Good morning. Today it's 3rd July 2026. The time is 8:44 and the temperature in Pune is 26 degrees. Welcome to office ride. A rainy office ride actually. It's raining and so happy to see the rain back. I missed rain. So currently I am riding to office. As I said, it's 8:44. I have my login at 10. Also on my way I'm going to stop for a coffee. I haven't had breakfast today because I was running pretty late. And people are splashing water left and right. Oh my god. Really difficult. I wanted to ride on that, the tank road specifically, but I saw that the bus is splashing water. If I take the risk to ride on tank road, I guess it won't be a good decision. But yeah, I don't see that much traffic today, so I can ride on these normal roads. But oh my god, here I go. This is how you ride your ADVs on tank road. It feels nothing. Oh my god, it feels so good. Sometimes I am so proud of my decision to purchase this bike. Such a good bike, yaar. If any one of you is planning to go with an Himalayan, you should just close your eyes and purchase that bike, bro. Let's go. Damn, that felt so good. I could have taken my four-wheeler out today. Not just today, but every day in the rains. But the thing is, first, I like to ride bike in rain. There's no better feeling than that. And second, I wanted to record today. So that's one of the other reasons that I have taken my bike out. But yeah, for the past few days also I'm going by my bike only, because it wasn't raining for the past few days. It used to rain in the afternoon only and then at night directly. So yeah, when I was traveling it wasn't raining, but today it is. So this is how currently it is looking. It looks good, right? But the traffic is killing the vibe, yeah, seriously. What should we do? How can we erase people from this planet? Just some of them. It is raining heavily. Fuck. It is raining heavily. I don't know what to do. Should I wait for some time? But then again, I don't have an idea when it will stop. Let's see. Was taking bike out a good decision? It should have been a good decision, but I haven't covered my pants, yeah. It won't make sense. It wouldn't help me stopping right now. Whoa. Need to think of some better plan. I have laptop in my bag, yeah. Though I have covered my bag, but still the risk is there, right? What the hell am I doing? Shall I just take a U-turn and go home? Damn, bro, I'm so freaking wet. I mean the my clothes. I'm not getting it. What should I do? Oh, bye. It started raining heavily. Wet into office. Shit. It wasn't a good decision taking my bike out today. Oh my god. But yeah, still I'm going to post this video because you people deserve to know the truth. So yeah, when it rains, this is how it rains in Pune. For the last month, the rain wasn't visible anywhere in Maharashtra, not just Pune. But yeah, now it's back and it's gonna F us all. But let's enjoy this ride back home. What a cute ride, right? So yeah, the plan is to work from home now. It's not ki I'm just going home and taking a leave or something. I'll drop a message ki I'm working from home. I know a lot of people from my office would be working from home right now because the employees come at around 9:30 or 10. I don't know, yaar. I mean, I can't go to office. Just simple as that. If my boss asks for a proof, I can show him this video. But in this video, I am not visible, right? But guys, trust me, I am wet. And I was going to the office. You guys can help me if he files a lawsuit against me, right? What a overthinker. By this you can understand what a great overthinker I am. I am going to court and everything. Oh damn.
Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on the wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
Oh my god. What was this? Lol. Oh my god. It's so funny. See this guy on the Himalayan. Oh boy. He's so well covered. And look at me. Dumb. Never underestimate nature, guys. So what is our today's lesson? That is, Never underestimate nature. If it decides to F you up, it will. Don't go against nature ever in your life. Respect it, enjoy it, because it has something best to offer you and you'll love it. Let's drive from this water. Oh, मेरे दिल में थोड़ी खाली सी जगह थी. Oh my god, oh my god. भाई साहब, crazy, crazy, crazy. What was I thinking? Woohoo! People are looking at me like I'm some crazy human. I mean, if God wanted me to work from home today, so it will happen, right? Everything is written, guys. Don't worry. सब लिखा हुआ है. See, this looks so beautiful. In my back. Back to where it all began. Lol. It's raining so heavily again.